Done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me. A la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more.
You all have been invited here today to witness the wedding of Sam and Mallory. Thank you for joining in this celebration. Before we get started, I'm sure you're all aware of the no camera rule that is in place. Thank you for complying. At this time, Mel has given her permission to allow exactly 30 seconds for any of you who want to get a quick pic to do so. Have at it, everyone. Clock's ticking. Go. I'm watching. I'm watching. We are made of star stuff, although Sam's makeup also includes his daily intake of a half a case of pop per day. We are the mechanism by which the universe can comprehend itself. The world is so exquisite, with so much love and moral depth. We should remain grateful every day for the brief but magnificent opportunity that life provides. We are all connected together biologically to the earth, chemically, and to the rest of the earth atomically. He states that it makes him smile and that he feels quite large at the end of that. It's not that we are better than the universe. We are part of the universe. We are in the universe, and the universe is in us. The universe is something we all share.
So today I'm going to tell you a bunch of things I haven't told you. You and I's story begins in 2009 when you first started working at Sharon Care. I haven't told you that the moment I saw you I was smitten. I haven't told you that the day you added me on Facebook I audibly gasped because I was so happy. I also haven't told you that in that moment, you added me is when I started writing statuses and song lyrics for your attention. We won't go into too many extra details. We were both young and not ready yet, so we became besties instead. In 2016, I worked at the Disney College program in Florida and had a tough time and made a choice to reset and move back to Illinois to work at Sharon Care without really a plan. Ended up moving in with you and your dad. You are fully convinced to this day my master plan was to move in and get you to fall in love with me. I haven't told you yet, but my plan worked. I think I'm kidding. In August 2016 is when we began dating. After I said I wanted to move slow, you told me you loved me after 2 days into the relationship, and we made it Facebook official. What I didn't tell you that in that moment is my heart was bursting at the seams. I never told you, but in November 2016 is when I knew I wanted to marry you. I knew I wanted to spend as much time with you as I could. The last 6 years has been a ride. We've traveled, we've tried many bourbons, we've gamed until 2 a.m., we've eaten a heck of a lot of Soul Bowl, and I've conned you into a trip to Disney or two, and we've adopted our baby boy. It's you. We moved halfway across the country together, and I never told you how much that means to me and how much you've trusted what we've built. I love you. Being able to watch you grow and flourish has been a gift. Today I promise to show my love daily and to tell you the things I haven't told you instead of keeping them inside. To speak and act with honesty and kindness and to comfort you and celebrate you with all life has in store for us. I never told you that you are my home, and I love you.
Well, here we are. Master plan has come to fruition. Many years in the making, just like my vows. I'm not exactly sure when I started to fall for you. I remember Vince pointing it out one day because I talked about you a lot. 10 years ago, I would have told you marriage is stupid and weird. Now we're doing something weird together. You've helped me grow tremendously as a person. You've helped me understand how to love myself by loving me through and through. Despite my weirdness and randomness, despite the weird things I say sometimes, despite my pitfalls and rock bottoms, despite the fact that our tastes in music are so different, despite the fact that I drag you to my shows. You accept me for who I am and everything I am. I don't even know how to express how much that means to me. I know sometimes I get detached and distant. I'm not always the most emotional or affectionate, but I've never felt love for a person the way I feel love for you. You're beautiful inside and out. You find joy and excitement in the little things. Your personality is exuberant. Your laugh is infectious. I like your butt. You're a bit of a neat freak and somehow put up with my tendency to be a tornado. You're smarter than you give yourself credit for. You're a savvy negotiator. You're just everything that I've been missing in my life for so long. I'm not sure where I'd be without you. I'm not sure I'd be here without you. You give me a reason to keep moving forward, a reason to better myself, a reason to stay sober, a reason to live when I'm lost and can't seem to find anything else. For so long, I have separated myself and put up walls. We both remember the days when I needed to be left alone, when I didn't want to be touched, when I didn't want to talk. Those days are so much fewer and further between. It never had anything to do with you. It had everything to do with me being uncomfortable in my own skin. You've given me the confidence and comfort to be myself, to appreciate myself, and to love myself. There's nothing more that I want to be than standing here with you, with all of our loved ones. I love you, and thank you for being you.
Sam, do you take Mallory to be your partner in life, even though she continually watches shows without you that you want to watch as well?
I do.
Mallory, do you take Sam to be your partner in life, even though you have to spend an extra 15 minutes cleaning a room that he has just finished cleaning?
I do.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and place the ring on his finger. Ooh. By the power vested in me, it is my honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife. You both know what to do next, so make it a good one. Everyone, I now present to you the newlyweds.
I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, I feel that hot blood in my body.
flex. I roll deep, don't sleep, we next. All good wrecks, got checks on checks. These parties rated XXX. I'm still friends with all my exes. We just out here living reckless, young and restless. Nothing's precious, not enough time to count my blessings. Whoa. Yeah, all my homies popping now. All them OGs got me now. Fall with your hurt, can't stop me now. Gonna ride with a team every day of my life. Gonna mob with a scene with a J. Got a light, gonna pass to the crowd. You the band for the night. Man, pump that shit, it's a jam for the night. My friends and I get down, I hope you ready for the wave. My friends and I get loose, we might stay up a couple days. My friends and I can make this party come alive. Okay, okay, my friends and I get down like a motherfucker. My friends and I get down, I hope you ready for the wave. My friends and I get loose, we might stay up a couple days. My friends and I can make this party come alive. Okay, okay, my friends and I get down like a motherfucker. Funky.